I've always been fascinated by food and health, so I've blended the two into one to provide healthy food and promote healthy lifestyles. My company, Farm Fresh Cafe, has been in Seattle, Washington for 3 years, and we're looking to expand throughout Seattle, Washington. Did you know that 73% of adults claim to want to eat healthy? But as we all know, that's difficult to do in restaurants. Farm Fresh Cafe sells whole food. We also use the same healthy products to create meals, quick meals. The meals that are created in our cafe makes customers' mouths water and hearts open. The meal ideas comes from customer concepts, and I must say our customer base is very strong. So, as an investor, why wouldn't you want to invest in a market that studies shows is growing stronger every year? So, here's my card, and if you'd like more information, my website is located on there. Also, feel free to give me a call at any time, and I can give you a tour of Farm Fresh Cafe and give you a bite on the house.